Welcome to the Forestry Power. That majestic tree in your backyard may be a thing of beauty, but have you ever thought about the dangers it could pose during a storm? In today's episode, we'll dive into real-life situations that show just how risky tree work can be. Plus, we'll explore the techniques and safety measures that professional tree handlers use to ensure everyone stays safe. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Tree work in residential areas is no small feat when a tree grows close to a house. Cutting it down requires precision and planning. The stakes are high. One wrong move can lead to costly damage. Watch this team in action. They're using advanced rigging techniques to ensure this tree lands exactly where it's supposed to. And guess what? They nail it. Precision like this comes from years of experience and proper equipment. Before any cut is made, professionals assess the tree's condition, the environment, and the best direction for it to fall. It's a science and an art. Can you imagine the homeowner's reaction? This is why hiring experienced professionals is so important. A mistake like this could have been much worse if an amateur had been on the job. And speaking of safety, let's talk about the gear. From helmets to harnesses, every piece plays a critical role in protecting workers from injury. Nothing beats the satisfaction of a job well done. Watch this tree fall perfectly into place. It's like watching a master painter put the final stroke on a canvas. Moments like this are why professionals take their time to plan and execute each cut. It's a blend of calculation, skill, and sometimes a little luck. While it might look impressive, it's incredibly dangerous. The margin for error is razor thin, and one wrong move could send a tree crashing in the wrong direction. Even seasoned professionals hesitate to use this method because of its unpredictability. When in doubt, safety comes first. Let's talk about stumps. Removing a large tree stump, especially one that's burning from the inside, is a whole other level of difficulty. It takes specialized equipment and a lot of patience to get the job done. This isn't just physical work. It's a mental game, too. Hats off to these workers for their determination. This could have ended in disaster. Tree work isn't something you figure out as you go. It requires planning, skill, and a deep understanding of how trees behave. At this height, even a small mistake can be catastrophic. Thankfully, this worker's quick reflexes saved the day. It's a powerful reminder of why staying alert is crucial in this line of work. These tools combine elegance and raw power, making the job faster and safer. But remember, even the best machines require skilled operators. One of the biggest fears for homeowners during a storm is this: a massive tree crashing onto your home. Let's see what happens when things go horribly wrong. This is every homeowner's nightmare. A fallen tree can cause structural damage, broken windows, and even make your home unlivable. Storm season is particularly dangerous, as high winds and saturated soil can uproot even the sturdiest trees. When disaster strikes, professional tree handlers are the first to step in, removing debris and making the area safe again. But wouldn't it be better to prevent this from happening in the first place? Even with professionals, mistakes can happen. Let's watch this scene where a tree doesn't fall where it's supposed to. This slight miscalculation turned into a major problem. Luckily, no one was hurt, but the roof took a big hit. This shows just how critical it is to have the right training, tools, and judgment when handling large trees. Recovering from such incidents is no small task. It requires not just manpower, but also heavy machinery to safely remove the fallen tree and minimize further damage. Neglecting the trees around your home can lead to costly consequences. Here's what happens when a tree with weak roots meets a powerful storm. Years of neglect can turn your backyard into a ticking time bomb. This tree had been leaning for years, and during a storm, it finally gave way, causing thousands of dollars in damage. An inspection by a professional arborist could have identified the risk and saved this homeowner a lot of trouble. If you have large trees near your home, regular maintenance is essential to prevent disasters like this. The result? A crushed shed, a damaged house, and a lot of regret. Without proper planning and tools, cutting a tree can quickly spiral out of control. So, what have we learned today? Tree work is dangerous, unpredictable, and not something to take lightly. If you have trees near your home that need attention, always hire professionals. Their experience and expertise can save you from costly mistakes and potentially save lives. The Forestry Power. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.